I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting by preparing only what's needed. Open Task Manager now and end the Search UI or Windows Explorer process if it's frozen. Once done, check Settings Windows Update to ensure no pending upgrade is blocking search. Then open Services and restart the Windows Search service. Right-click, Restart, and also restart Cortana or related processes. These steps clear locks and queued tasks so the system can rebuild search indices. Make sure to save work. Rebooting Explorer will briefly refresh your desktop. Next, rebuild the search index to fix corrupt entries. Open Indexing Options, choose Advanced, then Rebuild. This may take time, so keep the PC plugged in. Once started, use an elevated PowerShell to restart the search indexer and run repair commands. These refresh database files and permissions. If results still fail, reset the Search UI from Settings or reinstall the Windows Search package with PowerShell commands. This removes bad binaries and restores defaults. These actions solve. Finally, reboot the PC to apply all changes and then test the search bar with a few queries. Try apps, files, and web results. If something still seems off, check Cortana and Windows Search privacy permissions so indexing can access folders. As a troubleshooting tip, run System File Checker and DISM, sfc/scano and DISM restore commands to repair corrupted system files that block search. If that fails, document errors and perform a targeted reinstall of the search package. That usually closes the loop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.